Alright, today I'm going to show you all how to use the stylize and extrude feature that we had to do for our representational art. So open up Photoshop and we start off with a canvas of 8 by 8. We left a black background. I'm going to make a duplicate copy of the background just in case I mess something up. Now you can choose any brush you want. I chose the butterfly paintbrush, and you want to try to get as much color as you want. So we'll go ahead and make some white butterflies, but then we'll also add color with some different brushes. So go ahead and you can go as crazy as you want. We'll switch to a different brush and try to add some color to it. Let's make the brush size a little bit bigger. We go with a different color. We go with the green and click OK. And just, like I said, once again, go crazy. Keep in mind it won't look the same. The end project result won't look the same. So go ahead and choose another brush. We'll go with the stars this time. Just draw a whole bunch of stars around. Make the brush a little bigger. See, I like the green. We'll switch to, let's try purple stars. It always comes out gives you a nice effect. So just go crazy all over the place. See, we'll try one more. Let's go with another crazy brush. Let's go with the rubber duck. Switch the size up, and we'll switch the color to, let's try orange. Let's try an orange duck. See how that turns out. Okay. I'm kind of liking the way that's looking right now. It just looks like a whole bunch of mess, but trust me, you won't be able to tell the difference once we're done. So let's try to add a shape. I just want to see how that turns out. Now here you have a whole bunch of pre-made shapes that are already loaded into Photoshop. So I actually just found this doing another project. So let's try, since we're going with the animal theme with the ducks, we'll try the cat. Let's see how the cat turns out. Well, that made a new shape, so we don't want to add the cat, so we'll delete the cat. Let's go back and get rid of the cat. We'll keep it simple. So now we'll go up to go over here and let's put a border on it. So we'll go and we'll draw a rectangle, and we'll show you how to add the bevel and emboss feature. So we'll go to inverse, and that chooses the outside of the border. So we'll go, and once again we'll choose another brush, and you can go crazy inside of around the edge, and that'll give you a total different effect. So here we go. Let's try the grass and just go crazy as you want. It really gives a nice feature once the end result is met. So we'll go there, and then we'll do the effects menu. Let's go to bevel and emboss, and you can play around with these settings. Make sure you got the preview selected so you can see what's going on. And I think I kind of like that right there. There you go. That looks perfect to me. So you can add more features if you want to, but it's a black background. You probably won't be able to see everything. It's like if I put a drop shadow on it. So we'll just keep it like it is for now. Change the opacity, and you can't really tell that it did much. So we'll stick with that. So here we go. Now we'll go over to select the inverse, and well, as you can see right there, that didn't allow me to select anything. So we'll go back and we'll get rid of the border, and now we'll go into the menu, and we'll go to stylize, emboss, we'll go down to extrude, and we'll click OK, and we'll see how that turns out. And that gave you the feature that I was talking about. Now once again, you can go back up and you can get rid of that, and you have the option of doing a pyramid, or you can do the blocks. So let's try the blocks. So this is what the blocks looks like. you know, kind of, well, not as flashy as the first one. So we'll go back and I'll show you one other feature that you can do in this menu. So stylize, extrude, and you can do the levels, and we'll go back to the pyramid, and it kind of, let's change the size to 100. And as you can see right here, it kind of leveled everything out, so that defeats the effect. So we'll go back and we'll change things back to the way they were at first. Okay, change the size back, and we'll go to random and click OK. And there you have it. That's the stylize and extrude.